I got 8 volts going into it. Not using what the instruction said was the optional 5-volt port. Not using that. And what is happening, programming, everything seemed to go okay. What I am running into is I get no cube activity. I get no cube activity unless, let's see here if you can see it. Like here's the column, here's one of the layers. I only get activity if I short one of the layers to one of the columns. And then I only get activity for 2 layers above where the short is. The layer that's being shorted and the one right above it. Now, I can short all 3 or all 4 layers together and get get in there. And get activity in the whole cube except for the one column that's being used for the short. I am really at a loss of what I got wrong. So let's see here if you can see it. No. The flat side of the LED is right here. So the columns should be negative. Yeah, the column should be negative, or no, the layers should be negative, and the columns, which are the rounded side of the LED, should be the positive, which is what the instructions said. And here is my schematic. I used a 40-pin IDE connector. And that was just an invoke on the Max 232 to make sure that pins 15 and 16 were connected where they should be, because they weren't earlier, because it wanted VCC and I was using V+. So, if anybody has any idea, and I'll post some links to my schematic and my board, let you all take a look at it. But you know, I was certain that I did everything like I should, and it's not behaving like it should. The M232 is underneath the 5-volt regulator there. I don't know if that helps you any, but yeah, there's the IDE and the wires and everything looking pretty, and yeah, so I'm a nurse. I'm not an electrical engineer by any means. I just usually can do well following instructions. I built this guy and I modified it so I can use it with loaded pins and unloaded pins, but it's got the program, it's running, it's just whatever. So any help's appreciated. Thank you.